I'll have a quick little update. Can't remember what I got to last time. Still wet sanding and polishing. I've had a few, not issues with the roof, I just haven't been happy with it. It's not finished at the moment, it's just been polished over, but it's been wet sanded quite a few times over this back sort of area around there. It is dull, it's not been polished yet. There's a bit of a sort of a ripple in it in a way. I don't know whether it was the lacquer where it sort of ran and dried, but it only sort of came apparent once I started wet sanding it and polishing it. You could just see the light catching it, so I wasn't happy, so sort of just see it, but it is a 30-year-old roof, there are little dents in it. So the roof just needs a polish off. I couldn't be bothered turning the compressor on tonight, so I just wet sanded the passenger door, and that's come up lovely. But what's strange is I've been using the DA, well actually the DA, but the rotary. So because you can on the DA sander you can switch between DA and rotary, so it's been on rotary. I've been trying to mix match between what pads I've got. I've got 6 pads, varying sort of foams and stuff. Which ones have I got? Yeah, the ones in there. It's just the stuff of eBay. Generally they're quite good. Been getting good results. Again, it's trying to work out speed, pressure, and all that sort of stuff. But the door, because I've been having problems with some swirl marks. The door, I've just done the door with the black foam attachment on the drill, to be honest. The little black one on there, and that is a soft one, which according to the pack I've got, that's obviously the other black one, honeycomb sort of thing, but it's a very soft one. The black says it's just for not doing any cutting, just putting polish on, so that seems to have worked really well, just using the black attachment on the drill. So what I'll probably do is go with a black one and try that and just see what works best for me, really. Like I say, people will rage on about using this and using that. I'm just using what I've known. I did think about getting a different kind of cutting compound. 3M's quite good, but it's working for me at the moment. Just want to get the car to a decent, clean, shiny finish, and then once it's there, I can always go over it again later down the line. But it's looking really good at the moment. So yeah, cool. Catch you later. Oh, here we go on with the polishing debacle. I can't remember where I last updated you, but I sanded the roof a bit. There was a bit of, over the back corner, I'm probably repeating myself, there was a bit of, I don't know whether the lacquer had run a little bit and dried, but as soon as it polishes, the light caught it a little touch. So I've sanded that back. Then I've had a nightmare trying to work out what to use, what works for me. I know there's loads of people saying you can use this, blah blah blah, but obviously it's what works for everyone else. So that's on the DA, setting on it. The best I've found is using the yellow pad with the Maguire's and just a squirt of water on it, which is sort of mixed with dodo juice, car wash, just to give it a little bit lubricant so it doesn't dry up, so I can nicely work it in. And that's come up trumps with getting all the swirls gone, so I'm really happy with that, and all the scratches out. So that's the plan of action, to carry on with that. The only issue with the rotary is it gets polish everywhere. But yeah, that's just some wax on there now. So yeah, it's had Meg's 105 and I've used the ultimate polish on it. That's now wax on it, so I'll let that dry off a bit, buff that off. Hopefully that'll be the roof done. It's hard doing this because obviously it's my car and I see it all the time, so if someone else was to look at the roof or look at a panel, they'd be like, oh yeah, it looks really good, maybe. But when I look at it, if I know there's a flaw in it, same as anyone else doing the car, if you see a flaw in it, your eyes are zoned straight onto that instantly, so you can't see anything else but that. So hopefully once this has all got its trim on, it's back up as a car. There's a lot of little flaws in it that I'd like to be perfect. Hopefully won't be noticeable. There are a few little dings in the roof, which it's a 30-year-old car. It's going to have dings somewhere. I'm not going for a show car. So yeah, it's going quite well at the moment. I've got that door that was sanded and polished. I've wet sanded the top because there was still a bit of orange peel in it, so I've given it another go over again. I'll keep doing that just so I'm happy with it. Back seat's in. That's all been cleaned, bolted in. The rear shelf that sits down there is all in, and the seat belt. Just waiting for a few more bits. Payday to pick some bits up on there. Yeah, so carry on the polish. I'll get this edited and stick it up. Anyone got any comments or anything that are constructive, stick them in the comments. If they're not constructive, I won't bother replying, because I had a comment the other day, one of the other videos saying, I don't know, I can't remember now, something weird, and I was like, yeah, cool, thanks for that. Obviously I'm not just doing the video for, I'm not professional doing this. Obviously some things aren't going to be done right, and some people are going to say, oh no, you need to do it this way, but at the end of the day, it's my car, I'm learning how to do things, or improving on what I already know, so hey ho, it's just a story to enjoy. And hopefully other people who are doing their cars or whatnot can see things and go, actually, yeah, that's a good idea. Or look at it and go, no, that's stupid. Whichever. Anyway, cool. I'm going to wipe all this polish off. Yeah, this door's not, I haven't done anything to this door yet, and there's polish gets everywhere, considering it's all over the door and I was doing it on the roof. But never mind. Hey ho, all good fun.